Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make cauliflower masala recipe. Cauliflower masala curry in chicken curry taste. It's a unique recipe. You can have it along with porotto, fried rice or roti. Let's move to the video. In a container, take some water, add half teaspoon salt. When water starts boiling, add 300 to 400 grams of cleaned cauliflower pieces. Boil for 2 minutes on high flame. Remove the water and keep it for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped green chillies. Give a stir. Saute for 1 minute on medium flame. Now add 2 chopped onion. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute for 3 minutes on medium flame until the onion becomes slightly golden color. Keep it low flame and then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Now add potato for different taste. Add 1 chopped potato like this. Also add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 6 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, open the lid. Potato has cooked 75%. Add boiled cauliflower to it. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken masala powder. Adding chicken masala gives you special taste for this recipe. Add half cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Keep open and cook on high flame until excess amount of water dries up. Now add some curry leaves and mix it well. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Our special cauliflower masala curry is ready. We can serve this tasty cauliflower recipe along with roti, porotto, naan or fried rice. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.